Planning a renovation in NYC? Then listen carefully, because most people lose thousands of dollars before they even realize it. Mistake number 1. Choosing the cheapest contractor. Cheap price usually means cut corners, low-quality work, future repairs, and in NYC, fixing mistakes costs more than doing it right the first time. Mistake number 2. No clear scope of work. If everything is not written clearly, materials, timeline, details, you will pay extra later. Every time. Mistake number 3. Ignoring hidden problems. Behind the walls there can be old pipes, bad wiring, water damage, and once the project starts, the price goes up. Mistake number 4. Skipping waterproofing. This is one of the biggest mistakes in bathrooms. Water damage in NYC apartments can turn into lawsuits. Never skip this. Mistake number 5. Not planning permits. NYC is strict. You may need permits, DOB filings, co-op approvals. If you ignore this, your project can stop completely. Mistake number 6. Changing decisions mid-project. Every change costs money. Every change delays the timeline. And small changes become big expenses. Mistake number 7. Unrealistic expectations. Fast, cheap, high quality. You can't have all three. In NYC construction, you choose 2. So what's the smart move? Plan everything in advance. Choose quality over cheap. And work with someone who understands the system. Because renovation is not just work. It's coordination, risk, and experience. Follow BUILD NYC HUB for real construction insights.